Hey, what's up, Thomas? Corey here. I'm just going to shoot over your three free tips so that way you can drive more traffic and ultimately just get more customers for your business. So, the first thing I actually want to go over is content. But one thing before I go into that, I would recommend just doing some sort of call to action right here and do like have their input, their name, phone number, things like that. Do a call to action, money off, percentage off, free estimate, something like that. It just helps navigate people on where they're supposed to go. But anyway, the first thing I'm going to go over is content. I would recommend beefing this up. You got a little bit of content in here. I'd beef this up to about 15 to 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you say and really in what you do and what you do and how you do it. Really. Plus, we need enough keywords in there so that way we can or we need enough content in there so that way we can layer those keywords on what we're trying to be found for. Even the images, what they're saved as, it all matters. And Google actually recognized that. And gosh, it's taken a while. There we go. Energy experts and citrus heights. You can actually put more buyer's intent keywords. That other image, you had a bunch of numbers in there. Just put more buyer's intent keywords back there, and that'll help with your rankings. If I go inside of a Google and just type in heating repair Sacramento, this is what you're going to pop up. You got these little Google guarantees right here at the top. These are actually brand new for Google. A lot of these business owners got so sick of these spammy phone calls, so Google came up with these to help weave out some of those spam calls. Right underneath there, you got a old school traditional ad. Sometimes you're going to have them at the bottom here as well. A lot of people have been going away with ads just because of all those spammy phone calls. This little map sections, this here, really to get the rankings in this section is really going to come down to what's called a backlink, or excuse me, a citation. What a citation is just a business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your competitors have, but we don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking our competition. Underneath that little map section, we have all this organic ranking. Really, the how to get on that first page of Google really comes down to how authoric you are with your content and what you do, how you do it. But also getting ranked for those keywords is crucial as well. But also what comes down to a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from another website linking back to your website that's just ultimately pushing power back to it. Now, if I go inside of your website here, take your URL and put it on inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is just a tool, lets me see what happens behind the scenes of your site. Looks like you started your site back in January 26th or October 2016 or so. Not much done to it. Then really June of 2019, you had a huge backlinking, and then a lot of backlinks came off. Historically, you've had 217 backlinks. Right now, you've got 35 backlinks coming from 14 referring domains. You're being found for 36 keywords, and in total, you're getting about 34 clicks every month to your site. We can come inside here and look at the keywords that you're actually being ranked for. You got energy expert Sacramento, heater repair Sacramento. That's a good keyword to be ranked for. Sacramento heating and air, another 60 clicks. So there's 80 clicks that you're missing just from being on the fifth, sixth page of Google. Sacramento air conditioning service, another 20 clicks. Let me show you one of your competitors here. This is Jaguar Heating and Air. If we just take them and put them right inside of Ahrefs, let me do a quick overview. They got 121 referring domains, which is coming off of 382 backlinks. They got 517 keywords that are being ranked for, and in total, they're getting about 242 clicks to their site every month. Just kind of showing you where these clicks are coming from. They got HVAC Sacramento. There's 200 clicks every month. They're getting a decent amount of traffic from that 200. Sacramento Heating, another 80 clicks, 7th position. HVAC Sacramento CA, 7th position. They're still drawing in clicks from that every month. So that what we can do is actually go through these same keywords and make sure we're getting the rankings from them. So that way we are going after those buying intent keywords, and that'll just be make a huge factor on that quality of traffic that's coming into your door. Anyway, if you see any value, would love for me to put a free custom game plan together for you. That'd be great. Give me a call back at 702-292-0810, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thanks so much. Have a great day.